If today, in 2026, I wanted to build an app, I would start exactly from here, because almost all of us have had an app idea at least once, a simple idea, a useful one, or even just something for fun. But usually it ends right there, because no one is going to learn programming, take courses, and spend months struggling just for a small idea. So the idea stays and gets pushed aside, but now that doesn't have to happen anymore. I had an idea, and instead of abandoning it, I simply explained what was in my mind. No coding, no learning, no hassle. And very quickly, I had a real app that I could use right away. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an app just by explaining your idea using Abacus. And more importantly, you'll see how, with this single tool, you can build several completely different types of apps, all with one tool. No coding, from scratch, right in front of you. Before this, I used Chat LLM to help me prepare my application prompts. What I did was very simple. I went into the Chat LLM page and explained exactly what kind of application I wanted to build. No technical terms, no strange details, just what was in my head. Chat LLM organized the idea for me, completed the details, and finally gave me a clean, usable prompt. I took that final prompt and typed it right here, inside this box. Then I clicked the Generate button, which is the button that starts the build process. From here on, Abacus moves forward step by step. At every stage, it shows the code that is being written. You can see exactly what is happening and follow the app building process live. This process takes a little time. Everything is shown piece by piece, slide by slide, and each time you can see exactly which stage the app is currently in. In the end, the result is not just an explanation. A real application is actually built. In this video, I built several different applications. The build process for all of them is almost the same. The only thing that changed was the idea I got from Chalem and the text I gave each time. All the other steps follow exactly the same process, and they all end with building a real app. Now let's take a look at some examples of the applications that were built, both the ones I built myself and the examples made by others using this tool, so you can see exactly what the final result looks like when an app is built. You can see them, copy them, or simply understand them without needing to be a programmer. In the end, the result is not just an explanation or a file. A real app is built. Apps that you can run, test, and even publish. You can share these apps or submit them to the App Store and Google Play and make money from them. And the important point is that to reach this stage, you didn't know coding, you didn't need to learn it, and you didn't spend months of time. The entire path is exactly what you saw. Idea to prompt, to build, to result. This means your focus stays on the idea, not on syntax, not on bugs, not on learning a programming language. If you have a good idea, or even if you're just solving a simple problem, you can very quickly reach a publishable app. If this path was interesting to you, or you think it can help you turn your ideas into reality, make sure to like the video so I know you enjoy this kind of content. If you have any questions, or if you have an app idea in mind that you'd like to see built, definitely write it in the comments. It's even possible that in the next videos, I'll build that exact idea. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe so you don't miss the next videos, because we're going to test more tools and show how AI can turn ideas into real products. The Abacus link, as always, is in the description. If you want to try it yourself, you can start from there. Thanks for staying with me until the end of the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.